Welcome back to NBT1 tutorial part 2. Here we have a word problem where the town of Wilton has a population of 785 people. Plainville has 10 times the number of people in Wilton. How many people live in Plainville? The first piece of information that we know is that Wilton has 785 people. We know that Plainville has 10 times the number of people in Wilton. So we know who Wilton is, and now we need to find Plainville. So when we see a number and we see 10 times, that means that each digit in 785 is going to move 10 times or one place to the left. So my first strategy is to write my number inside a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And now we're going to move each digit one place to the left. So the 7 in the hundreds moves to the thousands. 8 in the tens moves to 100. And 5 in the ones moves to the tens. Now there is no longer a ones place, so we use a place filler, which is the number 0. And we add in our comma by separating our periods of ones, tens, hundreds. So the total population for Plainville is 7,850. All right, going to our next problem. We have directions. Consider the place values in the numbers 310 and 3,100. Select the statement below that explains how the numbers 310 and 3,100 are different with respect to place value. So we are comparing the size of 3,100 to 310. Our strategy for here, of course, is to do our place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. We're going to fill in our larger number, 3,100. We're going to fill in our smaller number, which is 310. And since both numbers have a 3 and a 1 and a 0, we're going to compare any of these digits that we need to compare. So I'm going to start with the 3 in the thousands. I'm going to move 3 in the thousands to 3 in the hundreds. Now, when I get ready to do this, I see that 3,000 moved one place to the hundreds, and one place or one jump is 10 times. If I attempted to do the yellow for the hundreds place, 100 moving to 1 in the tens. This one also moved 10 times. So far, both of our digits have each moved one place or 10 times. If we continue the pattern with the 0, we will see that the 0 and the tens moved one place to the ones, which is also 10 times. So our answer is 3,100 is 10 times as large as 310. And that concludes 4.NBT1 tutorial.